CAD station. Today we are going to draw this part. So let's start our drawing. First of all, go to new, select part and okay. Now first of all, I am going to draw this tube. So let's start. It shows it's 50 and 15. So I'm going to select top plane, sketch, circle, select the center point circle, draw two circles. Okay, first of all, smart dimension, it's 30 and it's 50. Okay, let's see. Yeah, its radius is 15, means 30 and 15. So it is going to extrude up to, it has to extrude up to, you can see from this is 35, its radius is 25 or 35, it's seeing 35. So 50 and 60, we have to extrude it up to 60. Features, extrude boss base and extrude up to 60. Okay, now you can see it's U-shaped. So I'm going to draw this part. So select front plane, sketch, Control 8. Now I'm going to sketch from this line to here. So or we can extrude it from here to here. Which is better? If I see this is 72 and 30, we can extrude it up to 72 and 30, it's 102. We can use reference plane, features, reference plane. First of all, exit your sketch, then reference plane, and we have to select from tree, select front plane and make a dimension 100. Okay, now select okay. Now select this and sketch, Control 8. Now you can see we have to draw these as a square or as a rectangle, you can say. So I'm going to select this rectangle. I'm going to select center point rectangle. Okay, center rectangle from y-axis. Okay, it's a rectangle. Now smart dimension, and we have to make a dimension of 35 equals to 25. Its diameter should be 50. So we have to make its height as 50. Okay, from here this line to this line distance should be escape, delete this. From this line to this line distance should be 5 millimeters. Okay, now it is of 50, so we have to make it as of 50. Okay, and escape, make a relation. Okay, select this line, or select, you can select its center point and the origin and make it vertical, so it's become on the circle or tube. Okay, now I'm going to extrude it. Features, extrude up to first of all reverse direction and up to next. Okay, now it's simple. You have to for this radius you have to just flat it. go to fillet, select last one. First of all, select this face, click here, select this face, rotate, click on last box and select this, and it's done. Okay, now it's done. What you have to do, select this face, sketch, control 8. Now you have to make this hole. This hole is of 25. Its dimension is not clear, so I am going to make it of let's check. Find the center point. Here's center point. Okay, smart dimension, and make it as of 16. I'm going to make it of 16. Okay, you can see it's not too big, so 16 is good. Now features, extrude cut, and extrude cut up to, you can select blind or through all. Okay, now it's done. You can see this plane is visible, so click here and make it hide. Okay, now you can see here's a gap, so we have to make it. Select this face, sketch. Okay, control 8. Now what you have to do, just simple, select center point circle, center point rectangle, or you can select corner rectangle. Okay, make a rectangle. Now this rectangle is of or you have to first delete this rectangle. Okay, escape, control Z, delete this rectangle, select corner rectangle. Okay, from this edge to just, okay, now make its dimension as it is 15 and it's 15. Okay, it's 15. Smart dimension, from this line to this edge is of 15, from this line to this edge is 15. Okay, now its gap is of 32, and it should be 45, or yeah, it's 45 or 50. 45 it's too short, so 50. Okay, or you can see it's 55. Okay, now what you have to do, simply go to features, extruded cut, and extrude cut up to through all, not blind, through all. So okay, now you can see it's done. Now further we have these two lines, and between these it's a cut. Okay, it's for clamping mechanism. So what we have to do, see here, it is of it's at a distance of 70. So I am going to first make this line. Okay, for this I am going to select front plane, sketch. Okay, control 8. Now you can see it's same height of this U-shaped. So corner rectangle, from find the edge, yeah, here's point. Okay, and find the point. It should be some different dimension, but I am going to select this line and make it coincident. Okay, now we have to make dimensions as it is of 3 millimeter is a keyhole, but it should be 23. Okay, we have to smart dimension, it is of 23. Okay, now you can see there is two holes of radius or diameter 5, diameter 10. So again press Ctrl 8, circle, find the midpoint, straight to midpoint, draw one circle, from same vertical line draw another circle, make relation equal. Okay, now go to smart dimension, its diameter is 10. Okay, now further you can see it shows distance between them is 30 millimeters. So from its midpoint to its midpoint is complete 30 mm. Okay, now you can see I'm going to, from here to here distance is, I'm going to mention 10, then I can check from this line to this center point is 10, so it's in the same distance, equidistance. Okay, now we have to extrude it. How much? We have to extrude it up to is 23, so I'm going to extrude it up to, yeah, okay, 23. Features, extrude up to 23 and select mid plane. Okay, mid plane, or you can first flit these sides sharp edges, but I forget, so I'm going to flit right now. Flit first, select this edge and make radius 5 mm. Okay, now it's done. We have to cut this 3 mm gap, so I'm going to select this face, sketch, or I'm simply select top plane also, top plane, sketch. Okay, Control 8, I think it's not selected, top plane, sketch, and Control 8. Now it's selected. Okay, you can see here is a gap, we can manage it later. First select corner rectangle, center rectangle, find the x-axis and make a rectangle. Smart dimension, simply give it as 3 mm, and no need to mention this. Okay, smart dimension, mention these as it's 22, I am going to mention 50. We have to just exceed this body. Okay, 50 mm. Now features, not extruded boss, extrude cut, we have to cut a slot, so extruded cut. You can see it's going downwards, so reverse direction through all, and okay, no problem. Yeah, it's done. Now you can see I am going to show you. Yeah, here is a gap. Okay, so select this face, extrude boss base, and then convert entities, features, extrude boss base, and up to next. Okay, now you can see this gap is filled out. Okay, change its position to isometric view. Yeah, it's done. You can see it's done. Simply change its color or appearance. I'm going to appearance, and plastic, you can define any material you want. Okay, metal. Okay, this one is good. Now select this hole, this hole, this hole, this whole this part. Okay, and go to appearance and change its color to this one. Okay, now it's done. Hope you guys can understand this tutorial. Further, if you have any query, then you can ask me. If you like the video, then like the tutorial and share to your friends and subscribe to Cat Station. Thank you.